I'm here at Fuqua Friday where we're partnering with Rise Against Hunger. So come along, let's take a look.
Hey John, how's it going?
All right, how you doing? Keeping these cords tied down. So this is our 11th time packing meals. We've packed 477,000 over the previous 10 times. Today we'll go over the 500,000 meal mark. And it's a big milestone for Fuqua. We're real happy about that.
My job today is going to be handing people hairnets and gloves. Woo! Woo! Don't you look beautiful? And then later on in the day, as we are moving through the meal packing, I have a chance to hit the gong.
We were ringing the gong for every 3,000 meals. So every bag we're making has 6 meals in every bag. Every box we make has 36 bags, so that it ends up being 216 meals per box. So every 15 boxes we are ringing the gong and celebrating over 3,000 meals packed. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Amazing.
I'm opening the packets and putting the vitamin pack inside.
Soy scooper.
So my job is to scoop in the dried fruit after the grains and the rice.
And my favorite part of the day is just, being with everyone and just seeing everybody smiling and working this out together. I think that collaborative culture at Fuqua is what has come out.
Last box.
Yes.
So over the years, you guys have packaged now over 500,000 meals. Let's go. We have about 15 more thousand meals to go. That's over 26,000.
All right, we're just about done cleaning up and now it's time for Fuqua Friday. So cheers to Rise Against Hunger and thanks for joining us. Bye.